Good.
Okay. I've now had to take this chainsaw back twice to the shop because the chain keeps coming off and nearly killing me. They keep saying it's okay and I just need to keep the chain tight, and sure enough, like, I'm checking all the time to make sure the chain is tight, but it is coming loose all the time. I've tried to make a cut through this piece of wood and I've had to tighten the chain 4 times now, and I haven't finished one cut through it. So I'm making this video just to prove that, you know, am I doing something wrong, or is there something wrong with the chainsaw? So here we go. I've tightened the chain to the point that I'm told to tighten it by loosening this, pressing down on this until the chain's tight. I cannot tighten that any further. That's as tight as that will go. Tighten that back up. As you can see, I've hardly made any sort of a cut into it, and already the chain is this loose. So I've been using the chainsaw for like 15 minutes. I've tightened this thing up about 15 times. I can't even get through one cut and the chain is that loose. So anyway, hope you can tell me what's going wrong. Thanks. It's out of control. There's something wrong with it.